How's it going, everyone? Rusty back. Today I've got round 3, Bowman Chrome Mega Box. So, third and final box that I've got at least planned to show up. I'm not sure if I'm going to get into any more, but first off, again, just want to thank everybody for joining. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're returning, thanks again for the support. Hope you guys are enjoying the new format to the channel. Just trying to bring out some higher quality videos for you guys. So, without further ado, let's get into this. So, like I said, this is round 3, third box in. If you guys haven't seen the other videos, go check it out. Hopefully we'll get something a little bit better on this one. Got some packs hiding back there. There we go. Empty box. So there's the 2, 3, 4, 5 regulars. Don't spend too much time on this, guys. Third video in. It's been out for a minute. You guys more familiar now. Well, first Mojo pack. Got a Jeter Downs. Tristan McKenzie. A Dawn of Glory for Gus Varland. I'm not sure who he is. Not as familiar. Sean Jelly. And Shane Baz. So no color. No auto in that pack. So moving on. Got Keston Wera, Pete Alonso, Yadier Molina, Sargradorol, and a Luis Robert. Marcus Simeon, Evan Longoria, Austin Meadows, Tim Anderson, Jorge Alfaro. Pack 3. Brian Reynolds, Nico Horner, rookie. Got a JD Martinez, Freddie Freeman, and Jordan Yamamoto, rookie. You guys got to let me know if you think this product is worth it every year. Trent Grisham, rookie. Aaron Savali, rookie. Tim Anderson, again. Jorge Alfaro, again. And a Fernando Tatis. I think I've pulled him before as well. But not in this box. Last regular pack. Got a Ryu. Nick Solak, rookie. Andres Munoz, rookie. Abraham Toro, rookie. And a Shohei Ohtani. Well, I'm hoping the magic is in the last Mojo pack here. Last Mojo pack. Let's hope for some last pack. Not just Mojo, but good Mojo. Oh, looks like we got a color one here. Put it in the back there. Keone Cavaco. Monty Harrison. Tyler Stevenson. Blake Rutherford. And it looks like it is a Kansas City Royal. Who's it going to be? Kyle Isbell at a number 1 of 250. Number 1, if you could see that there. At least it's kind of cool to get the number 1 card, but I'm not sure who Kyle Isbell is. Not heard his name floating around. Well, guys, what do you think of this product? Box 3. I don't know if it was as fabulous as I was hoping it would be, but not bad. I'll take some color, especially when it's a Mojo. So go back through the Mojos just real fast for you guys. Blake Rutherford, Tyler Stevenson, Monty Harrison, Keone Cavaco, Shane Baz, Sean Kelly, Dawn of Glory for Varland, Tristan McKenzie, and Jeter Downs. So let me know what you think, guys. And maybe I'll try to get another 1 or 2. We'll see. Especially now that we're getting to the end of the year. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think of the new format. And we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.